Hi, hello everyone. This is your DS with Redding, Data Science with Redding. So let's continue the section of EDA. In the earlier tutorial we had discussed about the sweet. So now we'll discuss about the pandas profiling. So this is a one method. The most data scientists can use this pandas profiling as a EDA tool. So this is the documentation of the complete pandas profiling EDA. So if you are not understanding any of the some commands those things, you can get those commands into this. Uh, you can get that. You can get those commands explanation in this documentation. So here there is no any commands. We have used only 2-3 lines of code. It's very easy. So let's see the code. And for using the pandas profiling, just install these packages in your environment like a pip install. And guys, be remember use Google Colab for a faster performance. It's a Google Colab have the backend. It will run the GPU instance. So if whatever you are, if you are using the large amount of data sets, it can easily analyze those data sets by the use of this GPU instance. So for installing the pandas profiling, let's click on this pip install pandas profiling. So it will install those things, and I'm loading the data like whatever we have used in the earlier UK bank customers data in the sweep. Here we are using the same thing. Mm, for entire packages of pandas profiling, just use this URL link. Pip install this URL link, so it will add all the packages, related packages to the pandas profiling into your environment. So don't worry about this one. I will share the document as a link in the description section. You can go to that one. So here I created here I load the data set, and this is our head of our data. So here I load the data sets, and I created one title as a pandas profile report, and whatever the style, whatever the output you want in the form of HTML. So I created the HTML. It's a full width. By default, it's a true full width. So here we have used that one profile. I created the profile report by use of the profile report command, and I passed the data frame as a command, and I created the title and written that HTML file. So here I created one notebook profile to notebook frame. So it will created this notebook as a profile. So it summarizes the data, and it's generated the report structure, and it's generated the template. So here is the overview of our pandas profile report. This is our overview. So this is our data set statistics. It's completely automated tool. Just you can write the pandas profile report and pass your data from and title or whatever it is, and you can generate all these things within a few time. It's a data. It is a statistics of your data sets, and whatever the number of variables and the number of observations, missing values, and the missing cells, which means percentage, the duplicated rows, and how many duplicated percentage, and the total memory size, how much it's occupied the size, and average record size per each record size, like that. So it will show the among those all the variables. So it's a categorical variables is 6, and the numerical variables is 3. Like that, it shows us. And here let's see about the warnings, whatever we have. Here the in earlier tutorial we had discussed about the feature selection. So in feature selection, we have a few methods. Among those, based on correlation, highly correlated variables, we can remove one variable among those two variables. So here we can easily pick those highly correlated variables. Here they have given the high cardinality, about this name, surname, and date of joining. And what these are the warnings. This is a reproduction term, and you can see that at what time you have started, at what time you have finished, and how much time it has taken. What is the pandas profiling current version is using, and the YML file, it also shows the YML file. And this is an overview of a variable. So here we have take the customer ID. So it's do analysis for each variable. Let's have a look at for one variable. So this is our statistics of your variable. So this is the statistics, the minimum value and the fifth percentile value, quantile value. This is a quantile 1, median value, quantile 3, and the 95th percentile value, and the maximum value, range, interquartile range. It means Q3 minus Q1. So this is the descriptive statistics of your data, what they have, and this is a histogram of your IDs of your picture size bins, and this is a common values, whatever you have the common values. This is the extreme values, like this is a minimum value, this is a maximum value you can get from this. And here you have taken the name as a categorical. Let's take a look at this gender. Go to toggle button, and the frequencies, the male, how much the males are there, how much the frequency are there, the overview of your frequencies of your data, the overview of your chart, like a bar chart, the male and the female version, female ratio, like that is the length of your things, and like that for each variable, it's created the statistic histogram, common values and the extreme values, like that. And this is a pandas report, and the interaction, whatever we have interaction. So interaction means it's a term like as a group by function, like, and group by are it's kind of a graph like that. The upper row is your x-axis, and the lower thing is your y-axis. So just select your on x-axis, just select the age, and y-axis just select your balance. Then it will shows your how spread your data is there in it gives an insight how the data is spread like this, like it's spread like this, and you get the correlation and of your data of your variables based on Pearson's correlation coefficient, and based on Spearman's, based on Kendall's, based on whatever it is. These two things are new things what I have seen. I had used these Kendall's and Spearman's and Pearson. This is your data set of your correlation. You can see the scale, the strongly correlated having the blue, and the weakly correlated having the red, like that you can see here. Here the missing values, there is no any missing values in your data, and it will show the count, and it will show the matrix format. And this is your sample row, the first row of your data and the last 10 rows of your data. And it's generated an output file, Pandas-Profile-2 file, output file report as a report.html. Like you have created all this report in the form of HTML file. So it simply export that file. You can see that file here. Just download that file, whatever you are having. Just see what the thing is there in that file. Just wait. Okay, it's downloaded, and I'm opening the dataset. So here, see that the dataset is there. All the report you will get in the form of a HTML file. This is a very beautiful tool you can use for a EDA analysis. What interaction, correlations, missing values, sample of the data. You can see entire the things. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please encourage me, and I will do more tutorials on data science stories, and I will upload the end-to-end playlist from scratch to model deployment in the AWS cloud and Alibaba server cloud. And we'll discuss another method in the next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.